Hello. It's been an incredible day today. Just remaining in complete silence. And I say complete silence, a minute felt like almost a whole lifetime. But having to wait for 11 hours, almost 11 hours, was much more. So I spent time undoing every thought process, and much of the time not thinking at all. Just no negativity, no negative forces were coming at me, because I kept all of my energy and focus on one aspect. The thought was purely directed at health and well-being. So I engage my mind, my body, my emotions, and my energy just in one direction for health and well-being. And in turn, I continue to remain focused in that same intense attention to that one direction. Just think it like this. If you're trying to get to a destination, and along the way, if you start turning this way, turning that way, or going that way, you might get to the destination by chance, but the intended destination might not be what you plan for. So similarly, keeping your mind, your body, emotions, and energies in one direction, in utmost pleasantness, would naturally generate enough to get to where you wish to as life. In that, we could manifest also a more powerful way of conducting ourselves, even though there were so many forces trying to pull me in various directions. Yet, keeping your thought process with the least amount of friction, least amount of burden is down to your own intentions, or down to your own having said all of that. I'm just about to be able to so much compose at 1 o'clock in the morning and reflect on the day after falling many times. Falling means that we can learn so much. Falling means we're able to get up and be stronger and a new you in the life. So by end of the experience of living life, and do what is needed without making up what is not, and in turn causing tremendous pain and suffering and struggle and uncertainty within you. You could continue undoing your negative thoughts into making it into a pleasantness for yourself, and in turn well-being and health for everyone else around you. Time to ease and now have a little rest. Until tomorrow.